Children, today we are practicing again a formal letter, because in the last class I told you what is formal letter and what are the importance of a formal letter, and there we have practiced one formal letter, right children? And as this is a part of your first summative exam, this is there for your summative exam, so let's try few more example of a formal letter writing. So the formal letter writing followed the pattern which you already written, and before that even I like to give you one question regard to the formal letter writing. Take down. Even I remember that I had given one question, that is a practice. I hope you have done that practice in using a pencil. So if you have done it in a pencil, okay. If you have even done in a pen also, no problem, but check it when I give the answer. Now take down a question. In a letter writing only, take a question. Write a letter to a manager. Manager Vijaya Bank, Ramnagar branch, requesting him to provide a checkbook. So what is the matter here, or what is the subject here? That is of requesting for a checkbook. So here it is clear that two address they had given. What was the two address there? The manager, Vijaya Bank, Ramnagar branch. Okay, that was the two address. From address they are not given, so you can write any of the from address which you like, and the request, application or the complaint letter, all this come in a formal letter. So the pattern is like, write down. The pattern is same which you have practiced for a formal letter. From Mr. Shankar, 25th, second cross, Ramnagar, Mysore. To address to the manager. See, the manager, here we are not writing to any particular person. Here we are writing to a designation. So if the person change, the manager change also doesn't matter, because you are writing to the place of the branch. The manager, Vijaya Bank, Ramnagar branch, Mysore. Good. So after this, here you have to start. Okay? Respected. This I will continue here. Respected sir, comma, what is the subject here? What is the subject? Provide a checkbook. Provide a checkbook. Okay? After that, from here you have to start. I, comma, hereby. Okay, write down. I hereby requesting you that. I need a checkbook. very urgently. very urgently, full stop. My SB account, my SB account, you have to write like this. My SB account number, my SB account number 4001365 832323 15. Full stop. I hope that you will consider my request. I hope that you will consider my request and I hope that you will consider my request and do the needful as soon as possible. You will consider my request and do the needful as soon as possible. After that, here possible. Full stop. Here you have full stop. Then here thanking you, comma, yours faithfully, Shankar. Okay, this is a request letter. Even the request letter also comes in a formal letter writing. So children, as I told, when you are writing a letter writing, you have to take a new page to write and don't use whitener, as well as don't do the strikeout. And here I told you to use 3 or 4 sentences, with simple sentence, so that your sentence or the message which you want to convey to the reader, it should be simple so that they can understand easily. Okay, and end up with the other formalities. This is up to a formal letter, children. And another type of a letter writing, this is a formal letter, right? Now let's learn informal letter writing. What was that? See, formal letter is the one where you are writing to a particular post or a designation. Even though the one who was working there, he may change, he may transfer, or he may resign. It doesn't affect to your complaint, request or anything. It will on process. Whereas if you are writing informal letter, that you are writing to a particular person, like dear friend, dear Kavita, dear Arun, there you are particularly referring to the person. Here you are not particularly referring to any person. That is why you have mentioned here the manager, the assistant engineer, right? The headmaster, the principal. Like that you will, to the particular post you are writing, children. Okay? And informal letter where you are writing to your parents, friend, relatives, where you are want to convey. Okay? And there is no such formality like here requesting, thank you, that and all you won't use usually. Okay, where you will ask the formalities like casual things, how are you, I am fine, such kind of things you are writing. I hope even you have practiced this, but let's try few of the other example. Okay, so remember here, children, in the informal letter, you are not using respected sir subject, and pattern little bit change. You don't get confused with these pattern and that pattern. Okay, write down. Now take a question. Imagine that you are Priya bar Praveen. Suppose if you are a writing as a girl, you should assume your name as a Priya, and boy as a boy Praveen. So it is clear that from address they had given. Okay, imagine that you are Priya Praveen of 9th standard government high school Hassan. Write a letter to your friend explaining your educational excursion. Arranged by the school. Okay, now from. There you have to write a from address is given as, you should write your name as either Praveen or Priya. So let's take as a Priya. And what is other detail? 9th standard government high school Hassan. Okay, so here no subject, no to address after the from, no subject. You can write as here dear friend. Okay, dear friend, if you want you can write the name dear Smita, if you want to write, or else dear friend also. Okay, this is optional. If you write also okay, or if you are not writing also, no problem. Dear friend, comma, here from here new line from the margin, I am fine here, full stop, continue. After that continue, comma, I am fine here, comma, hope that you too find this year we went to an educational excursion, all my school students and teachers, with my all school students and teachers, full stop. We went to excursion from 1 November 2020 to 6 November 2020, comma, an excursion of 6 days. We visited the historical place, comma, science world, etc. Palace like Hampi, sorry, it should be place like Hampi. Okay, place like Hampi, comma, Belur, comma, Halebeedu, comma, Ranganatittu, comma, Nagarahole, Srirangapatana, Shravanabelagola, and many museum in Mysore, museum in Mysore, Shivamogga and many other. And many museum in Mysore, Shivamogga and many other. Full stop. These places were recreative to our mind and created to our mind and created many information to us. Full stop. The money spent on the excursion is 2000. We resided in one of the tourist place. Full stop. We enjoyed with great happiness and teachers asked us to make project on them. Full stop. We prepared it, I enjoyed a lot and thanks to our teacher. We prepared it, I enjoyed lot and thanks to our teacher. Full stop. Next para. In the next para, write down. In the next para, write a letter of your excursion. And express my love and regards to your parents. Write a letter of your excursion and express my love and regards to your parents. Okay? After writing that, your parents. After that, full stop. In the next line, 2 address you have to write here. Okay? Somewhere here you are explained here. Okay? And here 2 address. To Smita. Okay, here address I will write. To Smita, 73 3rd Cross, First Main, Shanti Niwas, KR Nagar, Mysore. And equal to this line, right side. This is in the left side and right side here you have to write date and place. Okay? This is a informal letter. This is an informal letter, children. Okay? On the top of this question, write a heading as a informal letter where you can write it to your parents. Then the pattern will be same. And you may be thinking that ma'am going to finish your explanation in 3 to sentence, but here it may lengthy, right? Yes, this is In this pattern, explanation is lengthy because here you see, here you are writing a from address, after that to address, and there is no such other formality. One is dear friend. There is no thanking, no respected sir, no subject. For that it will carry one mark in a formal letter, whereas here it won't carry any such formality. So there you have to little bit increase your explanation so that the mark for a 5 mark should be tally. Is it clear? That is an informal letter, and I will give you one more example. Write down and you practice it in your home using a pencil. Okay, so children, I insist you that hereafter if any question comes on a letter writing, first make it clear that whether it is a formal letter or an informal letter. As you decided it is a formal letter, okay, directly the pattern of a formal letter should come to your mind. Okay, if you are writing an informal letter, the pattern anyhow easy, but whatever question you must be ready to write, because I think that the children of you having a good English so that you can make a sentence of your own. The question in your mind should not come that ma'am has not given this question, we have not practiced that one. No, you should be able, because now you are a 9th standard children, you must be ready to write letter for any topic given or whatever may be the pattern is given, you must be ready to write, because now you have learned what is formal letter and informal letter. I hope that my children are ready to write any letter of a given topic. Okay, now write the next question. Okay, now write down. Imagine you are Rama Bargirija of Government High School, Somanahalli, Government High School, Somanahalli. Write a letter to your father. Narrating about your preparation for the public examination. Okay, is it clear? This is an informal letter where you are writing for your father, not your friend. Okay, remaining pattern is changed. Instead of dear friend, you have to use dear father, and you have to write the explanation on the basis that preparation for your examination. It means that how your preparation is going on and what you are expecting in examination, or what are the percentage you are expecting in examination, that you have to write, and you have to end up your letter. See children, here after explaining this, directly you came to your 2, right? Suppose if you are writing to your father, after ending this paragraph, if you want, you can add your loving daughter, your loving son, your loving friend below your name. After that you can write a to address, no problem. Okay, this is up to a informal letter, and I hope that you will do the homework given by the teacher. That is a simple small question. Practice the writing, a letter writing. Easily you can score a 5 mark children. Okay, I will meet you in the next class children. Till then, take care.